All right, good morning. It is Monday, August 7th. And it's about, oh gosh, I didn't even look at the time. 8:30, I think. Let me check. Yes, it's 8:30. I am going down to get some continental breakfast. Oh, yeah, let's go. And there's a gym in this hotel. There's an outdoor pool. So far I like it, yeah. It's not cheap. With tax, it's gonna cost me over $800 for 3 nights. I guess some people are checking out. Checkout time, as usual, is 11 a.m. My checkout is August 9th. Yeah, so it's 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Continental breakfast.
Lobby, going down.
Excuse me. Oh. All right, so this is the continental breakfast. Two hard-boiled eggs. Looks like a bran muffin. And then some juice, yogurt, strawberry. I'm not a yogurt person, but I'll eat it. Yeah, so I guess butter for the muffin. I'm not sure. We got some cheese, coffee. I'm gonna take this back into my room to eat. But there's a nice sitting area here. So that's it. I'm trying to be careful not to spill it. The coffee is hot. I wonder what these stairs are for. Oh. So I have to go to, if I'm gonna show you the pool, it's one floor down. I have to go to P1 and go outside. Oh, no, not. I'll do that after. So it looks like I am running on time. What is all in there? Bingo. Huh. Whoa! Sorry. What floor? 3? I'm vlogging. Sorry. Oh.
Having breakfast?
Yeah.
You enjoy yours.
Yes, you too.
Yeah. day as well.
You as well.
Third floor, going up.
Okay.
Sixth floor.
Good morning. It is Tuesday, August 8th, 2023. Here's my view from the hotel. And I am off to get breakfast. My continental breakfast. Let's go. The time is probably 9:15-ish right now in the morning. And continental breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Last night, actually, here, checking out tomorrow and then off to Montreal by bus, mega bus. So taking the stairs. Oh, it's gonna be busy. Yep. Okay.
Fifth floor. Going down.
Hey, come on in. Morning. Picking up my breakfast.
How are
6,
you?
7.
What is your room number again?
617. This is the guy that flirts all the time here. I'm documenting.
You're talking to your friend,
No, I
your
have my
boyfriend, your husband, your
all of
girlfriend?
the above. How about that? No, I'm just joking. Ah, you're funny.
Coffee?
Yes, please.
How many coffee you need?
Just the one, and then I need like 3 creams and 1
3 cream?
sugar. Yeah.
Just put only 1 sugar.
Yeah.
You know sugar is sweet, you know.
I'm not a big coffee drinker, so I need to.
Like me, sometimes when I drink, I always have
Oh, you have
like
tea as well, maybe.
1 tea.
No, I'll go for something stronger.
Well, you should.
No.
How come you look like
I'm visiting from Toronto. Huh? Everybody, I get all different.
your eyes look like Japanese?
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Sink it.
Huh?
Close.
Pardon me? Okay, thank you. Oh, I need another thing because it's cold. It's hot, right? I need another one to carry it.
You don't bring that tray? It's
Huh?
okay. If you bring this, it's okay.
Nah, I don't. It's okay.
Okay?
I got it. Thank
it?
you. Okay, let me try. Follow me. Thank you. Subscribe. Right.
Good to see you back.
Same breakfast. I think this is one of the better continental breakfasts. The other one, well, I mean, not that I've experienced many, but it's not a lot of pastry type of thing. I like the boiled eggs, bran muffin. Okay, there we go. about 9:15, just past. I just checked that. I think about 9:15 or so. And it is the temperature. I will check in a second, but this is the morning view of from my hotel room. Checkout time soon. I'm going down to get my last breakfast. I'm messy right now. And I think checkout is at 11. I better get going. The coffee's not bad. Not bad at all. It's gonna be busy, the elevators, because everyone's checking out. And I stop the recording. Great.
I need to talk to Christina. I just want to know.
Help yourself.